Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area, Padma area and Kuta area during the pandemic corona on October 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area, Padma area and Kuta area on October 2021. And now we are in Camplung Tanduk Street. So we'll see together how the situation at the moment in Camplung Tanduk. So we'll see how the hotels, shop, restaurant. You see left side, there is Grandma's Hotel. There is a lot of car parking there. Okay, now we continue driving in Camplung Tanduk Street. Right side at the front, Freeze Hotel, and left side, Courtyard by Marriott. There's the big hotel in this area. And actually, I make a video today on request from my viewers. They want to know how the situation in Camplung Tanduk Street and Garlic Lane. But also today we will explore how the situation at the moment in Padma area. So make sure you're watching this video until the end. Okay guys, back to Camplung Tanduk Street. You see right side and left side? Yeah, there is a lot of shops still closed. But some close is open, you can see left side. Yeah, there is the shop open. And also this is Happy Day restaurant left side, that is always open during the pandemic corona. And actually in this area is very famous because in this area we have a lot of shop, hotel, spa, restaurant, and also we have gay bar. You see right side? This is Bali Joe, the gay bar in this area. You see, there is a lot of car driving around in this area today. And also there is a lot more the bike parking. Left side, there is a lot restaurant. And also right side, there is also cafe. And usually in this area, will be busy during the night time. Because there is some nice cafe in this area and good place for dinner. Because in cafe, there is live music. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Camplung Tanduk Street. Some shop open, some shop still closed. But also there is some restaurant open. That is really good. Okay guys, now we turn right to explore Werkudara Street, Padma Utara Street, and also Garlic Lane. There is the most famous street in this area. And now actually we are in Legian Street a little bit because from Camplung Tanduk Street to Werkudara Street we must pass Legian Street. You see this area? There is a lot of shop already open. They starting their business. But yeah, there is some shops still closed. But this is much better than last month. Okay guys, now we turn right to explore Werkudara Street. Now we are in Werkudara Street. In this area also very famous because it's like a shortcut from Legian Street to go to Double Six Beach. And usually in this area before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walk around in this area because in this area there is a lot of shop and also hotels and also some restaurant. But you see, in this area, I gonna say like 90% shop are closed. It's really sad, isn't it? Just very quiet there. Oh my god, it's quiet. You see left side? There is Mango Hotel. It's already open because last month was closed. And if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, very hot today. It's gonna say like around 32 degrees. It's so hot today. And if you just find this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Werkudara Street. It still looks very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, if I turn right, there is the way to go to Arjuna Street or Double Six Street. But I will turn left to explore Padma Utara Street. Actually, I already explored this area 2 weeks ago, but I got a viewer, they want to know the new update in this area. And actually, Padma area also very famous, because in this area there is a lot of big hotel, some villa, and also this area just nearby Seminyak Beach and Legian Beach. So that's why in this area is very famous. But you see, today in the end of October, this area is still very quiet. Amaris Hotel left side, one car parking there. Swiss Bell Seminyak left side, there is 2 car parking there. That is good. You see right side, that is Puri Raja Hotel. Yeah, but still look very quiet in this area. Shop left side, they are closed. Big hotel, the Seminyak right side also look very quiet. Okay guys, actually I just continue driving. I just want to show you how the situation at the moment in this area. So that's why I make video start from Werkudara Street until the Garlic Line without skip, because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area. In this hotel left side, yeah, there is some car parking there. But so far on the road it's very quiet, isn't it? There is not so many car and motorbike drive around this area. Just look very quiet. 3 brothers left side. Actually, in this area also shopping area, because in the right side there is art market. But this area like a ghost town, just no people. It's very quiet, isn't it? You see the road at the front? If I turn right, there is the way to go to Legian Beach. It's only around 400 meters. But I will turn left, because I will explore Garlic Line as a request from my viewer. Okay, now we turn right to explore Garlic Line. It's very short but very famous, because in this area there is a lot of shop and art market. So that's why before the pandemic corona in this area really busy. There is a lot of tourists walk around on the sidewalk to do some shopping. But today you see left side and right side, all the shop is closed. Oh my god, it's very bad, isn't it? They just closed. Yeah, we know together since 14th of October the international border is already open, but there is no tourist coming yet to Bali. This is very sad. Actually, some viewer, they mind about quarantine in Bali. So this is the situation at the moment in Garlic Line. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.